Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Q&A with VA. I'm Sarah, this is Clint Hanson.
Hello.
We're here to answer your questions and we're super excited to do it.
Yeah, we are.
We're wearing black again today and we're matching. I didn't say anything last episode, but now I feel I need to acknowledge we're wearing black and we're matching. I just think it's cool. I just think it's great.
I always wear black.
You always wear black?
Well, most of the time. If I'm not, it's because I'm trying to not wear black because I wear it all the time.
Ah, it's a great color.
I really don't give a shit. I just like black.
I feel pretty cool when I wear it.
You're definitely cooler. Well, especially
Thank you.
because it's a new BA shirt.
Ah, yeah, that helps.
Yeah.
That definitely helps.
Mm-hmm.
We do have some new cool swag going on here.
We do.
Really excited
we do.
about
We're
it.
working on it.
We're really excited about it.
Mhm.
Anyway, Clint, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing okay. I heard you and Boss Man talking about some TV shows earlier.
Yeah. We're Peaky Blinders.
Yes.
Yeah. Have you seen this?
No. I haven't.
I highly encourage you to watch it. It's very well done. Real gritty and raw.
That's cool.
Characters are decisive. It's just a good show. I love it.
I do like one of the lead actors in the show. Poopers, what's his name?
Who? Which one? The main actor?
Potentially.
The guy that played
The
Scarecrow
super
in Batman?
piercing, yeah, the super piercing eyes.
Yeah, that's
He's got a really cool-
Tommy Shelby. It's his
Okay.
character. He's the man. He's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good show. But you don't just say Peaky Blinders. If you're talking about the show, pardon my French here, but you have to say Peaky f***ing Blinders.
Oh, okay.
Like that.
That was great.
My wife says it awesome.
Oh, I bet she does. She's
Yeah.
very
But
talented.
her father's English. She's not. She's adopted. But she's heard it her whole life.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's pretty funny though, because her mom she's from Boston. So yeah.
Oh yeah, I think I remember you talking about that before.
Yeah,
They
so
have all
it's
these
really
cool accents in their house.
two funny accents there, but you don't see it. I think I've influenced my wife though, because she sounds a little more southern now. So, which I think she gives me shit about, but I think she
We
sounds
are
lovely.
technically in the South.
We are.
Although I don't think Floridians have much of an accent.
I didn't think I did either, but she says I do.
People tell me I do too. They're
And
like,
I was
"Oh,
born
you
in
sound like you're
Chicago,
from Florida." I'm like, "What does that
But
sound
I came
like?"
down here when I was really young.
Yeah.
So I think we do. I don't think we hear it, but if I'm not like trying to force to be articulate so you guys can hear me,
Do you
and I'm just
guys?
running my mouth, then I might sound a little more southern.
Do y'all think we have accents? Do we sound like we're from Florida? Because you're Florida native too, right?
Well, technically, I've lived here most of my life, but I was born in Chicago.
Okay, that's right. I was born in South Florida.
Yeah, so
But
but
I've
I'm the
lived-
baby, so all my siblings don't. They speak more of my brother Darren especially,
Yeah.
but all of our family, everything they sound like they're from Chicago.
Anywho,
Sure,
do you feel like answering questions?
I do. I think we got some nice kind of few quick ones for today, right?
We do. Actually,
Yeah.
brace yourselves. Get excited. We have 3 questions today.
We got another 3-banger. Let's do it.
This doesn't always happen, but when it does, I make sure to make a fuss about it because I love
She does.
it. Okay.
She does.
We have a friend, Connor Moses, who wants to know, I've got an 11.3 Hanson barrel with the pinned gas block. Is it worthwhile to dimple the barrel as well to get that gas block extra secure, or is it not something that I need to worry about? I kind of asked that question weird, but I think you got it.
Yeah, we've talked about this before, but it's not like I'm going to say, hey, go back and watch that episode. No, I think it's worth answering it. The way you asked it maybe might get me a little more honest. No, I think you're veering away from it as long as I tell you that the pinned gas block is enough, which it is, okay? However, if you want to be redundant, like I said before, you can do both. I just don't think you need it. You have the pin in there if you want to do a little Loctite on the actual screws themselves so they don't fall out, but the pin itself is going to hold it in place. Yes, ma'am.
What color Loctite should they use, Clint?
On those screws, it gets pretty hot in that area, so you're going to go for the red kind.
All right. Clint,
Yes, Sarah.
are you ready for question number 2?
I am.
Fantastic. This question is from our friend Deacon Knight.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a very cool name.
It sounds like it could be like a villain or a hero. It's just
Oh,
a cool
yeah.
name, you know?
I love how Knight is spelled Nyte. It's really cool.
Yeah.
Hope I'm saying it right.
I don't think you're messing that up. It's pretty... Yeah.
Aw, and they say that they love the Thursday videos. That's so great. And they say I'm cute. That's so nice.
Oh.
Thank you. I built a sweet 11.3 AR using your Hanson Lo Pro 625 barrel My favorite rifle out of the 5 I have. Is the only difference between the 625 Lo Pro Hanson and the 750 simply weight savings, or is the 750 more rigid, equaling more durability?
Yes and yes. Yeah, if you're going with the pencil or 625 version, you're going to save some weight. If you want that extra peace of mind and rigidity for full auto fire or just really, really hard use, I mean, you can use either, but I can't argue that a thicker barrel is not going to be stronger. So, yeah, you're spot on. That's the only difference.
Fantastic.
Yeah, they're virtually identical other than that.
Clint?
Yeah.
You ready for a third question?
You know I am.
This question's for my friend Justin Porth.
Okay.
Justin says, love the videos. Oh, thank you. Extremely informative and very fun at the same time.
Excellent.
Thank you so much. Clint, what are some of your favorite cleaning products and your best field and deep cleaning methods for your rifles? There are a lot of different opinions on best, but I value your input more than anyone. Oh, keep the videos going. Thank you so much, Justin.
Man, pressure's on. Internally here, we believe in Breakthrough Clean. Okay, they're an awesome company out of Miami. Fantastic people over there. But we use their parts here, and now in the field or anytime we're doing a shoot, we use them. In terms of, and I mean all products, they make something for everything, trust me. So anything you're looking at, you can't go wrong with anything they use. Or make, rather, I'm sorry. In the field, okay, so say we're doing demos multiple days or anything like that, or if we're doing a carbine course or you're doing a carbine course, you know, you're going to shoot your rig, it's going to get pretty dirty, okay? So to ensure that it's running nice the next day, I love the idea of doing a brief clean, okay? So you don't have to break that thing down and get crazy with it. However, if you can kind of do a little solvent inside the chamber, maybe a little bore snake through the barrel. I would disassemble your BCG from the carrier and bolt and just basically wipe down everything, even your firing pin. Inspect your lower. You never know, you might get a little grit and grime in there, or depending on what ammo you're shooting, who knows, you might blow a primer, it gets stuck in there, and that could end your day as well. So I love how cleaning goes hand in hand with inspecting, okay? So I'm a big believer in that. Anything can happen, so, you know, safety is always going to be, you know, number one, especially when you're practicing or doing anything, okay? So if you can do it, take the time to do so. If you're in a pinch and you don't have any of these products, if you've got liquid wrench and some brake cleaner, you know, for like car parts and stuff, that'll suffice, okay? Spray down your BCG. It cleans things very, very nicely. You get a toothbrush, it's gonna get any gunk, grime, grit, carbon, it'll get it off those areas. Again, inspect. So after you've done all this and you clean it all off, it's probably gonna feel really, really smooth, okay? So make sure you have plenty of rags. You know, if you've compressed air, that's a plus to blow any debris out that you're not going to see, or that a brush or a rag or something can't get. But those are the main points of contact and areas that I'm looking at.
Thanks so much, Clint Hanson.
You're welcome.
You did such a good job.
Appreciate that.
Thank you so much to our friends for sending your questions. You guys did a good job. Guys, if you like this video, and we know you did, click that little thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the little bell icon so that you get a notification every time we post a new video. We have new Q&A videos every Thursday. What? Yeah, it's true. And if you want to see Clint Hanson here answer one of your questions, make sure to comment below. We sure can't wait to see what you send us. Everyone, welcome to another episode of Q&A with BA. I'm Sarah. This is Clint Hanson.
She's got the giggles.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. You started the episode off and you're like my height. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Q&A with BA. I'm Sarah, and this here is my friend Clint Hanson.
Hello.
We're super happy to answer questions for you.
Appreciate that.
Thank you so much to our friends who sent your questions. You guys did a great job.
We're trying to be quick, and you're just being distracted here.
There was a hair, and it was just...
Just let it be.